What up, everybody? This is your boy, Money Making Jess. It's Friday. You know what I'm saying? Last day of the trading week. Hope everybody was profitable. Hope everybody had their emotions checked and all that good stuff. And it's Friday. Go have a drink, go have some food, go out, go for a walk, do something. Just get your mind off trading. You know what I'm saying? Let's just digest everything, recoup, take notes, study your trades, and go from there. Because you know what? The market's back Sunday, baby. It's back. But it's Friday. And you know what, people? This week was good. The trading plan has hold up. I'm very impressed of my trades I've done this week. I have updated the plan. It's at version 3.4. Basically, between 3 and 3.4, it just was basically the workflow and the process wasn't there. Some of the terminology I was using wasn't correct. So I basically went in, revamped the terminology, the workflow, still kept the plan there, but I had to change the workflow because some of the stuff I was doing were not in the right order, and I was had a lot of duplicate steps. Even though you want to have some kind of confirmation, you don't want to be doing the same. You know what I'm saying? So I changed that. So I streamlined the processes. The workflow is more fluid, more cohesive, and I'm liking this. So next week I should be good. Next week we're gonna step up our trading. We're gonna trade at least two or more trades if we can. Um, at least we were making a trade every day of the week, and then multiple trades throughout the day. But I want to get in the habit of making more than just one trade. And if I do make a trade and I know it's gonna move over to a swing or position type outcome, then I definitely still want to do a couple in intraday and scalping. So I need to constantly be looking for new open trades. So now I want to move to that level where I'm playing chess, like I'm looking like three or four trades ahead in the future and stuff like that. So I can constantly re-putting this money and making the money work for me and making these currency pairs work for me. So I think I'm good. I'm gonna try for the first day, Monday and Tuesday. If I feel like it's too much, I will scale back to just doing two. So maybe I'll do like two, then a couple weeks later do three or four. But I'm gonna try this. You know what I'm saying? If I'm struggling or it's not working the first 2 to 3 days, Wednesday at the max, then I definitely will go back to only doing two until I get comfortable trading two. You know what I'm saying? I just want to test myself. This is more of a personal thing than anything, you know what I'm saying? But for you, do what you feel comfortable, people. If you feel like you can trade 20 pairs, then trade 20 pairs. If it's just one, then just trade one. You know what I'm saying? But for me, I have to work. This is how I have to work out things that I know work best for Jess, money making Jess. Okay, so enough of that. So it's not really too much to talk about today, but here's another terrible thing that people need to get over with and learn how to control are these trading psychologies that will kill and blow up your account quick in a hurry is greed and fear. And my biggest thing, I'm not really a greedy person, so greed isn't too big for me. But fear is because I think lately some of my trades I think I get out too early because I see it positive, and right now my mindset is like I just want to have positive trades. But moving forward, I have to at least get these close to my take profits. You know what I'm saying? At least if I'm setting a 2-to-1 ratio or 3-to-1 ratio for my risk, I have to let the trade mature more than what I'm doing now to gain more pips because that's what it's about, right? So instead of taking 100 trades, I don't want to take as few trades as possible. If I'm not letting the trades I am doing mature, what's the point? So I think that's more of me having fear and anxiousness because I don't want to have negative on my trading count. So I have to get over that. So next week I'm going to incorporate that as well, letting my trades mature longer than what I have been. I think I do good on some trades, but I'm not there yet how I want to be. So I'm definitely gonna work on that. There is a link in the show notes where you can go to trade Investopedia to get more information on psychology, trading psychology, and also I do list a book. I highly recommend people read that book, and there's other books as well on trading psychology because that's a very, very, very big part of the puzzle here. It's probably number one. The number two is risk management. The number three is your trading plan and indicators and everything else that follows your whole trading strategy. But we must control the fear and the greed because, like with greed, you'll see a trade going up. You're like, I'm gonna get all the pips. I'm gonna get all the pips. You're not gonna get all the pips. You know what I'm saying? Unless you can truly see the future, you don't know when is the perfect entry and the perfect exit. You use your indicators. You use your mighty sense and whatever you use to get in and out of trades. Okay, unless you can go back and figure out exactly what happens. You're not a time traveler. I'm not a time traveler. That has not been invented, and I don't think it ever will be. So let it go, people. Get in as close as you can on the uptrend or downtrend, or when it's trending or ranging. I mean, and then get out. Set your stop loss either 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. I was doing 3 to 1. I think I'm going back 2 to 1. You know what I'm saying? And just let it ride out a little bit. Have a little patience. Don't fear it. You know what I'm saying? Always put your stop losses in. And also, two people, I made a mistake once again. And this one wasn't my golden rule all the way, but it was because I did trade in the cloud. And the reason why I did trade in the cloud, because I went back and checked, I had the wrong time. So a lot of my plan of how I have it set up is based on different time charts. Like I start off with the daily chart. That gives me the overall trend. That gives me interest in a currency pair. Then once I take that, I put everything into the hour chart. I mostly work out the hour chart and I monitor out the 15-minute chart. That's how I look engaged when I'm going to exit my trades. So what I did is I had the wrong time. So it actually was not trading in the cloud. I made the trade because I was looking at the wrong time frame. And that was due to my trading plan version 3.2 or 3.3. And that's the reason why I went back and changed the workflow because what I had before wasn't the right time frame and it was causing me to make bad decisions or my decisions was influenced off the wrong time frame. So people make sure you test your strategy, your plan and everything else you want to call it against different time frames and find the one that works best for you. I think I have it figured out now. I think my time frames are set. I'm not going to change those. So now I think I have the work. I know I have the workflow. I know I have it together. It's just now I have to let my trading plan work and it work out the market. It's not going to win every single trade. I know that, but it's here. It's working. It's live. The thing about it, people, 3.4 and beyond, I'm not putting nowhere more for free access. The only way you'll get my most current, up to date trading plan and strategies is by joining the Greenwood District. Everybody knows that's the new trading club that I'm offering. I'm about to bring out to market, and everything that I'm doing for it is basically going to lead into that. Okay, I'm still gonna have my daily updates, this and that, but I won't go into depth. So next week I did tell you guys that I was gonna show you. I was going to show you my complete trading plan. I'm going to do that, but I'm deliberately going to leave out certain parts, okay? Certain things that I know only way you're gonna be able to figure this out if you use everything you've heard from me, you do your own study, then you better figure it out. I'm not gonna tell you 100% on how to do it because to me that's like copy and pasting or a signal service. I'm not gonna do that. I want you to learn how to trade. I'm gonna give you enough information and enough bits and pieces where you can put it all together, people, and figure out what works best for you. Okay? It's not rocket science, people. This isn't difficult, especially the Forex market. If you look at the charts and really look at it and just let everything go, you can see what I saw. And it will come clear to you. Read baby pips, do all the things I suggested, and you will come to the conclusion that you need to be successful at trading. Okay? So next week is going to be some big changes coming. Definitely going to enjoy next week. Sunday I will have the video of me doing my whole complete trading plan. I will leave certain things out. I'm telling you now. I'm not gonna give it to you 100. I'm not going to do that. I think that's being a disservice to my folks. I'm not going to do it. So enjoy your weekend, people. Be safe, be blessed, be profitable, and always smile. And may the universe bless you with all the riches and glories that you deserve. Thank you. Subscribe. Let your peoples know. Let your folks know. I will highly appreciative of all the support I'm getting. Thank you. Have a glorious weekend. And I'll see you guys Sunday afternoon. Yeah, money.